Yes. And another mistake I see a lot of guys do when using the minoxidil is by relying solely on the minoxidil. Yes guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the minoxidil alone will not give you the results. The minox will give you the results you want, but then if you really want it to be faster for you, you can. Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Bengaza again. So in today's video we're going to talk about some of the common mistakes guys do whenever using a minoxidil. Yes guys, there are a lot of mistakes most of you do which you don't even know that you are committing these mistakes. That's why you're probably not seeing the kind of results you should be seeing when using this product. So in today's video I want to share with you guys some of these mistakes so that you can avoid it, you get it. So if you are interested in knowing these mistakes, stick around, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for your boy. Without wasting much of your time, let's hop into it. So the first mistake we're going to talk about here is inconsistent application. Yes guys, I don't know, for some reason I don't understand why most guys go and even buy the product if you are not willing to apply it. Yes, the other time I met a guy and he was complaining bitterly about the product, saying that it doesn't work, and he's been using it for almost a year now and has seen nothing on his face. And I asked him, how often do you use it? Because 1 year is enough for you to be able to see results if you are doing everything right. And he was like, well, he do apply it 2 to 3 times in a week. And I was like, come on bro, and you are here complaining. Trust me, for this product to work for you, you need to be consistent with it. You need to apply it twice a day for at least 1 to 2 months before you can even start seeing results. But if you go and buy it and be applying it once or twice a week, then bro, it's better you save your money because it's not going to work for you. Yes, you need to be consistent with it if you really want to see results. So the second mistake we're going to talk about here is giving up too early or quitting too early. That's one of the most common mistakes guys do. And guys, you need to understand something. Beard is like attaining any other good thing in this world. You know, it doesn't come easy. It takes time for you to get anything good in this world, and so has beard. So you need to put it at the back of your mind that this journey that you are coming to embark on is not going to be easy, or you're not going to get it on a silver platter. It's going to take you time for you to be able to grow your beard. So if you have that mentality, you're not going to give up early. But then unfortunately, a lot of guys, like I said, they use the products 1, 2, 3 months, then they will just quit, thinking that the product doesn't work, and jump onto another product, which is even worse, because aside the minoxidil, I don't know any other product that really helps grow a beard. That's if you are somebody without any beard. So quitting out too early wouldn't solve the issue. Have some patience. Trust me, you're going to see some results. And the third mistake we're going to talk about is washing it off too early. Yes, that's another biggest mistake most guys do. Guys, you need to understand that you need to wait at least an hour for the skin to be able to absorb the product. Even 30 minutes is okay, but then to maximize the effectiveness of the product, you need to wait at least 1 hour before you can do whatever you want to do with your face, whether you want to rinse it off whatsoever. Yes, but unfortunately a lot of guys tend to rinse it or wash their face like immediately after applying it. I don't know, immediately they see the product dries out on their face, then they just go and wash it off thinking that it's okay. No bro, you need to give the skin some time for you to be able to absorb the product into the skin. If not, you're just wasting your money, bro. You're just wasting your money. So you don't need to be washing it off too early. I know sometimes it leaves this kind of white substance on your face, which is absolutely normal. When you finally grow the beard, trust me bro, you end up appreciating the effort. So don't just wash it off because you think it is leaving some white substance on your face, or for whatever reason you have. Don't wash it off. Wait at least 1 hour before you can wash it off. And talking about washing it off, another mistake I see a lot of guys do is by using another product on top of the minoxidil. Like I said, people don't have patience whenever they apply the minoxidil on their face. I don't know, for some reason. What are you in a hurry for, bro? You need to wait. A lot of people will use their face moisturizer on top of the minoxidil. That's right after even applying the minoxidil. For those who have the beard, some use beard oil on top of the minoxidil. Trust me, when you do that, what happens to the minoxidil is you dilute the concentration of the minoxidil, which hinders the effectiveness of the product. So you need to give, like I said with the washing, you need to give the product some time for it to be able to get into your skin. After that, then you can apply whatever you want to apply to the skin, because if you do that, you're going to use it for a whole longer time without seeing any results. I'm sure that's why most guys are complaining that the product doesn't work. they keep using other products, or they keep combining it with other products whenever they're using it. Stop doing that, bro. It's not gonna help. So don't apply any product to your face right after using the minoxidil, and you're gonna see results faster. Yes. And another mistake I see a lot of guys do when using the minoxidil is by relying solely on the minoxidil. Yes guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the minoxidil alone will not give you the results. The minox will give you the results you want, but then if you really want it to be faster for you, you can add other things to the minox which will help you see the results faster. What are those things that I'm talking about? You can use a derma roller. Yes, you can add a derma rolling session to the minoxidil, and trust me, this is a game changer. I personally use these two products to enhance my beard, so trust me when I say that the use of a derma roller is really a game changer. Yes guys, and for those of you who don't really know how to use a derma roller, I've made a video about a derma roller. I'll put them here, and I'll put the link in the description so that you guys can check them out later. Yes guys, you need to apply certain products like the derma roller, and sometimes you can add biotin supplement too. Yes, that's an option I do. Adding it to help you see results faster. So don't solely rely on the minoxidil. You can add other things to it to make you see the results faster. Yes. So yeah guys, that's the video guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, kindly like the video and subscribe for me. I'm coming out with more banging and informative videos, so don't forget to subscribe like I said, so that you don't miss that one out. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.